Hey everyone, welcome back. You've probably seen this XJ in that last video that we just posted in Dresser. It has a lot of stuff from Iron Rock. It's actually a Iron Rock longtime friend who's been building this for a couple different years. Let's walk you around this thing and show you what it has. As you can see, it has the OTK steering with the Heims, and they've been driving this thing for a while. They take care of it very well, and they've had no issues so far, which is always great to hear. On top of that, they have our front long arm system and almost alloys also welded in. Now, on 37s, 17 Steelies, they're actually rocking our 8-inch lift kit with full stiffeners front to rear. And they went ahead and before we had our rock sliders, but got this DIY kit set up just using box tube, which definitely works in a lot of different applications, especially if you already have the material. And they also have the rear 4-link kit that they've been rocking for a while. So far, it's holding up great. Love to hear it. They also have our Deutsch shocks front and rear that you can get on ironrockoffroad.com. He also has the DIY rear bumper here, modified with a 2-inch trailer hitch. That way then he can end up towing anything he needs and get pulled out. This also might look familiar. This is the original Mamba bumper that we had designed. We put it on a couple different rigs, really see how it was tested and ran. We love it. We made it better. Now we currently have it online as the DIY Mamba that you can buy with the separate bolt-on modular wings. And this is the actual Mamba that we designed most of our parts off of. You're probably going to see this in a couple upcoming videos, who knows, but this is the original bumper that we had as the very first prototype. We love it. We ran it. We even got to paint it even nicer. Since this entire Jeep has most of our own Iron Rock products, the owner reached out and asked us if they could have some decals cut that were similar to the ones that we have for our shop. So we have Montana here from Strait-Design. He's going to install some decals and walk you through what is needed to install these and install them the right way. And if you want some decals, please drop some comments down below and let us know. We can work something out.
How's it going? My name's Montana from Strait-Design. Today we're going to be installing a graphic set onto this XJ. We're going to be putting on some big stickers like what was on the white XJ. And some of the other Jeeps around the shop here. So first step that we're going to do, we're going to use a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and we're just going to prep the surface by wiping it down just to get any contaminants off. Clean larger than the area where it's going to go, and give it just a second to dry. It evaporates pretty quick. All right, so we have our giant decal here. We're going to just kind of mock it up here. So we're going to tape one side, and we're going to tape the other. We do know that there's a lock hole right here, so we're going to scoot this guy back just a little bit to get around that. And then we'll measure this guy and make sure that it's exactly where we want it, height-wise, so we don't want it to be crooked. And then we're going to make a bridge from right to left on here. So we'll do it about here. And now we're going to hinge install this sticker, meaning we're going to take this side, pull it back, cut the backer, and apply 1/2 of the decal. And then we're going to come back and apply the other side here. So now that we have this kind of set up here, mocked up with the masking tape, we can measure our one side here at about 18 3/4. Now we can go over here. Every Jeep might vary a little bit, but this side needs to come up a little bit. So we have the flexibility to peel this masking tape and slide it on up till we get it right where we want it. Now we have our decal all prepped on here. Having the masking tape gives us the freedom to move it around. We decided to move it down a little bit so the bottom of the text here aligns to the body line. We tried measuring from here up, and it's not really at a square shape. So going from there and then going from this body line down, we're able to make it nice and level, so it'll look good. So at this point, when you have it mocked up on here, take a step back, take a look at it, make sure you like where everything is, because once you peel the backer off and start applying, you can't change it. All right, so now we're ready to apply. We're gonna start by breaking our tape here and using this as a little bit of a guide for where, when we bring this back, where to leave the sticker on. So now we're going to peel this. We're not going to go all the way back to our hinge, but we're going to go most of the way. peel this guy like so. You want to make sure that you're using a pretty quality pair of scissors. You don't want to get paper dust on your on the back side, on the adhesive side of your sticker. And then you want to hold this guy kind of tight. Use your squeegee, nice and firm, and work this guy up and down. Kind of go from the center outwards. Now you noticed I kind of didn't do this part at all. I left that to be its own. We're going to work these pieces down. Now we're going to work this almost like it's a hinge here, downwards. So we're going to go from the center outwards. So we have this side all done. Now we're going to switch on over to the other half. So I did a little, we call it a relief rip or cut where the lock here is. It's going to help everything want to lay flat. Otherwise, it's going to make a pucker like this as you go. When you're putting your decal on, you are going to have to plan either to go around or trim around anything like a lock or a door handle. So we're ready to do the second side here. So we can peel our hinge. Set that guy down here. Again, we're going to break our tape. Peel it back. Remove the rest of the backer. And then we're going to go ahead, make sure that we're lined up here. And again, we're going to go pretty firm motions. We do sell these squeegees on Strait-Design.com. They work really good. There's a couple different weights of them. That's how flexible they are. These red ones are kind of a everyday use, works for just about anything, whether you're doing vinyl wrapping or putting a decal like this one on. All right, so now it's time for our reveal here. We're gonna peel off the pre-mask. Now when you do it, you wanna peel the corner and peel it at kind of a steep angle away and go slow, just in case if anything is kind of catching. These letters are all pretty rounded, so they should be pretty good to go, but if you do get a little bubble like this guy, if you take a very sharp new razor and you give it a little pop on one end or the other, give it a fingernail, it'll go away. You might not be able to see it on camera, but it pretty much lets all the air release out. So we have one thing left to do before we're all done with this side, and that is we have to cut our door hinge here. So before we cut anything, we want to make sure that we have a brand new blade for our cut. You don't want it to rip, you want it to go right through. So I have this little blade cage, and I will snap it, leaving a fresh new blade. And then you don't just go down the middle. If you hold it at an angle, then you can get a nice even edge. Once you have your even edge, you can take your thumb and go slow on the edges and wrap it around. It's going to give you enough material to kind of put around the edge of the door. We're going to open the door. This might be kind of hard to see. And this one's going to kind of fold behind. There we go. So here we go. We have our graphics all set up on this XJ here. If you're interested in some, put a comment below. What colors would you want on your Jeep if you were to get some? My name is Montana from Strait-Design, straight-design.com. And we made these for them. There will be a link in the description below. If you need anything from a squeegee to vinyl decals, graphics, anything like that, we're happy to help out. Thanks for watching.